that? What is that?
Happy
Birthday! Happy birthday! What is that? Happy birthday! What is
So
it?
pretty.
It's so pretty.
I love it.
¿Te gusta?
Yeah.
Ah. Oh, good job, Da.
Come on, come on.
Yasemine.
Happy birthday to you.
Yum, yum, yum.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Belen.
Happy birthday to you.
Yum, yum, yum. Smart, your family kind got spirit and heart. And then stickers.
Cool.
Oh.
Now, so this one is happy birthday, Belen. I hope you have a great birthday. I love you. Oh, cool. If you get 5, happy birthday to an all-around amazing granddaughter. Oh, I see.
What is that?
Maybe that can.
Yeah, I think you need put seeds.
Yeah.
You put seeds over there, yeah. And I think it has a little light too.
Yeah, it has light.
And they grow up, yeah.
And it's musical. It's
Yep, it's the first.
money. Oh!
We're not sure.
This is yes.
That's the one it? What?
Now we can go to dinner.
So cute.
We weren't sure if that was the right one or not. So.
You can take us all the covers with your money.
One more present, Belen.
Oh, look, a new brother.
Belen está abriendo su regalo. Ya lo
Then
abrió.
we have a seed right here.
Oh, cool.
Add that right in here and just kind of push it down, not too far because we need to water it.
Oh, okay.
Then you just carefully cover it like this.
I know.
And here we have a little.
Oh. For water.
Yep. Okay, now let's add the other seeds in.
Mhm.
See, all of
¿Te
these.
gusta tu regalo? Yeah.
All of these little things aren't just protection.
Oh.
They're grass.
Oh.